The increase of electric vehicles on our roads demands a stronger, more robust EV charging infrastructure. And anywhere that has access to parking is a possible site to implement an EV charge point, whether it's at home, a business or a destination you're going to. And with destination charging, this can also include holiday destinations. And with that in mind, there is growing demand from holiday makers travelling by vehicle to look at electric vehicles charging facilities as a must when selecting a place to stay. With any application for electric vehicle charging, it's important to think and go smart. In 2022 in Great Britain, smart charging regulations were implemented to mandate the new charge points sold into market must have smart functionality and meet certain device level requirements. But what is a smart EV charge point? The simplest definition is that smart electric vehicle charge points are intelligent, connected online devices that are specifically designed for electric vehicles and incorporate advanced technologies and features to optimise the charging process. A holiday destination that has understood the need is Charteroak, consisting of 3 luxury holiday parks across their portfolio in the Cornish countryside. Replenishh have been supporting the installation of 60 EO Mini Pro 3 charge points across 2 of Charteroak's sites with our customer, Energy Park, who are a specialist design, installation and management provider of smart EV charging networks in the UK.
We've decided to add EV chargers to the holiday park because most of our clientele now have electric cars. It's the way the market is going, and for where we're situated in Cornwall, it was the perfect next development step for us. It will make a huge difference. It will allow for them to not have to plan in where to stop, or they will not have to lose hours of their holiday going off to a charging point that's miles away. So it allows for them just to have that peace of mind of being able to enjoy themselves and without the travel and the inconvenience of charging the cars.
So I became a EV charging installer through the company I work for, Berkeley Installations, working with Energy Park to do these jobs. I think I would recommend electricians to move to EV installations. They're very easy and you get to work outside. The EO Mini Pro 3 is very easy to install. Easy work and nice weather, so can't really ask for much more than that.
Been working for Berkeley's for about 3 years now. We started working with Future Green Steps probably a year ago, installing car chargers. I definitely recommend it to become an EV installer. There's going to be a lot of work coming up, I'd imagine. This site's very nice to work on, everyone's very pleasant and it's quite easy to get on here.
The key requirements for the project from the client's perspective was to have a solution that could be implemented whilst still operating an active resort with holidaymakers. They wanted a solution with an OCPP functionality, so it could be managed by a system like we have. And it was also to be a very discreet model that sort of blended into the environment of what is a very beautiful surroundings. We chose the EO Mini Pro 3 for this project. Because the technical support from the EO guys has always been incredible. Secondly, as we mentioned, it's a very small and discreet solution. And it's quite an easy solution to use, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, blends in well, and it works really well with our platform, so we were very pleased. The job has gone really well so far. We're just coming to complete. It's worked really well, working across 2 parks, 2 resorts. Obviously everybody's been very accommodating, that the people are here on holiday or here for a rest from the sort of home environment. But it's been very, very good. The guys at Replenishh have been on hand to supply the material and equipment when we've needed it, and the turnaround times are great.
So this is the EO Mini Pro 3. So it's a smart connected charge point. It comes either in Wi-Fi or Ethernet options. You can also have GSM 4G capabilities with SIM, but on this site here, we've maximised the Ethernet and Wi-Fi function on the charge point. It comes with smart features as well, so it's got pen fault detection included, so you don't need additional protection at the supply source, and it's also got DC leakage, 6 milliamp, so again, you just need an RCD protection type A at the supply as well. Always recommend surge protection on the EV charge points as well, but yeah, very smart, sophisticated charge point. Slick as well, small, compact, and it comes in tethered options as well, but for these applications, such as a holiday park, socket-based solution is a good solution for a lot of customers. This also comes, obviously, a wall mount option, but it can be on a pedestal. So in this example here, you've got a back plate, so it can suit most chargers, but in this scenario, obviously, you've got the EO connected to the pedestal, and then on the butt base there's an EV block mini, so it's a precast concrete component, and that's basically makes life easier for the civils team to basically come on site, put it in position, obviously dig up, put it in position, and then for the electricians to route the cable into the charge point and power it up from there.
The installation process, it's been seamless, professional. The team have been really courteous to all of our holiday guests, and they have a really good knowledge that we are in a holiday park, so to be conscious of noise, it's been nothing probably but perfect.